the temperature to 20 degrees.
Celsius!
Setting the temperature to 20 degrees in the driver zone.
Oh, fucking idiot.
Daddy. I hope your goddamn head was in it.
Like his head was, you know.
This is a loading zone. You can't park here.
We're not parking it. We're abandoning it.
Whoa! Whoa! Slow down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Red light?
Dude, are you okay? And I was like, stop.
Oh, yeah, I gotta try and do that. I had my PRT. Oh, that. Whoa!
Wake up in the morning.
What the fuck was that?
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yarn or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing, well, you're a elbow bub. Alright, you're a wanker. Alright, you're a wanker.
You can't park that there, mate.
Fuck off! Fucking idiot.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Emergency video.
Oh my god. What the fuck were you doing?
I'm on my own.
You're drunk.
No. I'm on my ride. Fuck.
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to the police.
Fucking hell, how did you manage to get in here?
It's just gone in.
Sloped driveway into oncoming traffic. No way. No way.
Jose.
Never. Hang on.
Ah,
Don't, Stephen, don't, it's a learner. He's a learner. He's a learner. Okay? I didn't know he was a learner until after I saw,
no.
for some reason, I don't know why, it's because of the blind spot.
No, because he came up from beside.
Yeah, because he was parallel. I didn't
Yeah.
see it either.
I had my indicator on the whole time.
Well, he's a,
More than enough.
his
He
reaction
was bad, yeah, he was.
completely out of line.
Yeah.
Completely out of line.
all day. Smooth FM.
Really? Well, we can just stop and park here.
This is going to remain with me for a long time. You're a pack of arseholes.
Bloody hell, mate. That was playing.
Oh, that's good.
Who wrote it
So it's something to remind you of it.
Oh my god, there's that. I saw a Dutch registered VW transport going away.
Oh, Scotty.